Hi, it's HMD and today I'll show you how to fix HMD Arc volume buttons not working. Firstly, try to restart your phone by clicking and holding the power button, then restart. Also, you can go into the settings, the system update, and download any updates if you have. Then in settings, and then the sounds and vibration right here, you can change the volumes, and at the time you need to contact the warranty. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.